What is a precinct caucus all about? Hi, my name is Tammy Devine. I was born in Sierra Leone, West Africa. At 6 years old, I was adopted by an American missionary couple who brought me to the U.S. when I was 9. I'm blessed to have grown up in America, to become a citizen and work in the media business here and around the world. 3 years ago, I had the good fortune to move and work here in Colorado. So did you know that there's a way to get your voice really heard in the government? You can greatly amplify your influence when you participate in our unique Colorado Precinct Caucus system where you can become an elected delegate. Regular people like me can officially represent hundreds of our neighbors as we select the best candidates to be on the primary ballot for every government level. I always wondered how so many of these guys got on the primary ballot, many of which definitely did not represent my values and what's important to my future. Did you know that all you need to do is go to your neighborhood precinct caucus meeting on Tuesday, March 1st, that's Tuesday, March 1st, bring a few like-minded neighbors, then submit your name to be a delegate and have your friends do the same, then vote for each other? It's that simple. As a delegate, your vote at the assemblies is hundreds of times more influential to choose which candidates actually get on the primary ballot. My delegate vote is 100 times more important than later when I'm voting as an individual citizen in the primary and general election. As a delegate, I get to vote on all the county, state house, and Senate candidates. As a state delegate, I can vote for the best of the statewide candidates like governor and U.S. Senate candidates to represent my neighborhood precinct. I like that. This is just what the Constitution says the government is: of, by, and for we the people. Nowhere in the world is there a system that the people can choose their leaders like we can here in the U.S. and Colorado. So, what is a precinct? It's the smallest governmental district made up of the neighborhoods around you. The county draws up the precinct boundaries in an area for a set number of people. Then each major political party will conduct their precinct caucus meeting to elect delegates to represent the precinct to select the best candidates. A candidate must get at least 30% of the delegates' votes at assembly to get on the primary ballot. Here is how you find out what precinct you live in. Go to the Colorado Secretary of State's website at coloradosos.gov/voter. That's coloradosos.gov/voter. Then under the Find My Registration link, simply put in your name, date of birth, and your zip code, and you'll get your voter ID number. The last 3 numbers in it is your neighborhood precinct number. Next, you go to your county party website, and there they will have a listing of where your precinct meeting will be at 7 p.m. Tuesday, March 1st. Did you catch that? 7 p.m. Tuesday, March 1st. And I'm told that you really need to come to your precinct meeting early to get checked in and meet more of your neighbors. Contact all of your friends and neighbors to come to their neighborhood precinct caucus and become delegates too. This is how we get candidates that represent what's important to flip the state right side up. Please like and share this video with all your friends in Colorado. See you at the assembly.